Today, we're diving into the Alarm Lock DL2700-10B Trilogy digital keypad lock, a cutting-edge security solution that blends robust functionality with sleek modern design. Crafted from durable metal, this keypad lock not only enhances your security, but also adds a touch of contemporary style to any setting. The DL2700-10B stands out with its intuitive keypad interface, allowing for easy access management without the need for traditional keys. It's perfect for both residential and commercial use, offering flexibility and convenience with its programmable user codes. Whether you're securing an office, storefront, or your home, this lock ensures peace of mind. What sets this model apart is its reliable performance and versatility. It features a standard cylinder for added security, complementing its advanced electronic keypad system. Installation is straightforward, making it accessible even for those without extensive technical expertise. In terms of security features, the DL2700-10B excels with its alarm functionality, alerting you to unauthorized access attempts. This proactive approach enhances security measures, ideal for high-traffic areas or sensitive environments. Design-wise, its modern aesthetic blends seamlessly with contemporary decor, offering a clean, minimalist look. The sturdy metal construction ensures durability, capable of withstanding the rigors of daily use while maintaining its elegant appearance. Overall, the Alarm Lock DL2700-10B Trilogy digital keypad lock is a standout choice for anyone seeking a reliable, modern security solution. Its blend of functionality, security features, and stylish design makes it a top contender in the market.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.